Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here's another video on the BMW X1, which I've been rebuilding over the past couple of weeks or several weeks. Yeah, as you can see, she's almost done. Other than I'm waiting on a few trims, so the kidney grills, a splitter to go underneath the front bumper, and a trim in the engine bay. She's all ready to go. Yeah, I've really enjoyed rebuilding the car. There has been quite a few frustrating moments with the build, whether it's trying to source the front bumper or actually getting panels to align. And tell you what, this has been a huge learning curve for me. I'm not a mechanic. I work in an office, so however, my passion and hobby, as you can see, are cars. I've been tinkering the cars for must have been 15 plus years now. So yeah, done track builds and so on, since, as I mentioned in the first video, which I'll put a link up here for you guys to watch back right at the beginning of the series. So yeah, in this episode we'll be giving the car a thorough clean, focus on the outside, get rid of all the mould on the rubber trim, etc., from where it's been stored. A co-part. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight in. Let's do a quick walk around, see what we're dealing with, and then we'll take it from there. Here she is. She's absolutely hanging. She has got dust all over the car where it's been stored, and got a front bumper. All this packing tape, because there's a fragile item to post, so it's all got this that needs to come off. The front needs a cleanup. This is all coming off, so it needs a good rub down. And yeah, all the way around here you've got pen marks, etc. Rings from where it's had the knock and assessment done. And then, yeah, just continue to walk around the car. Stickers all coming off. Here's all the mould you can see. I'm actually going to find this quite therapeutic, actually, giving the car a good old deep clean. Get rid of all that crud that's found itself a new home. Also got a set of new number plates to go on the car, which will fit right before the MOT. But yeah, she is pretty disgusting. So what we'll do in this episode, we'll do a thorough deep clean, and if we get time, we'll do a ceramic coat, just to hopefully make the paint look smarter and give it a bit more of a pop. Obviously all this needs to come off. I'm not sure, I seem to be scratching off, it's quite nice. All the stickers as well. So yeah, let's get to it. Cleaning products. So I'm going to fill up the spray bottle with this all-purpose cleaner. It's used by a lot of details. It's quite strong and potent actually, so I'm going to have to dilute it quite a bit. I'll go around pretty much the whole car, let it sit for a few minutes, and any bits that there's kind of dirt and mould hanging and sitting, I'll go around with a brush, so that'll be all around the window seals, etc. I should then lift it all up. The goo gone, I'll use up on the various stickers up the top on the glass, stickers on the front bumper, just to clear that off. I've used that for other stuff in the past, like adhesives for spoilers, etc. It just rips it all up. It's really, really good. Then I'll hit the car with some snow foam, give it a quick blast over, go through all the wheel arches and the wheels, give them a good coating. And then after that, I'll hit the car with some shampoo, and in the mitt I'll use this product, this McGuire's Wash Plus. So this has a polishing compound within, so this should remove, or will remove, any sort of light scuffs, marks, and remove any sort of bugs and tar that might be on there. Obviously it's been in storage with Copart for some time, and then it's been with myself while I've been doing a rebuild. It's probably been several weeks. Once that's all done and nice and dried, we'll dry it with a drying towel. We'll then hit it with ceramic coating. This should be good for 12 months, I believe the can says. But yeah, what I'll do, I get the buckets out, and we'll start with the all-purpose cleaner. straight away. Okay. That's disgusting. Right, let's get the stickers off and put the rest of the car. Look at that now. It's an actual rubber trim. That's glorious. Right. My snow foam lance is broken, but try my best. It does shoot out, but it's just a bit sad. Right. Already just walk around just to wash on its own, it's just made a humongous difference. So the arches just shows how clean it is already. This all come off when we get to hit it with a sponge. But you can already see how much better it is already. Really impressed. Thorough clean. One bit people tend to forget is all along the tailgate to the top. This stores a load of dirt and grime that sits there. So that's what you can all see the debris actually. So we'll continue to hit that. All this it's all full of dirt as well, where it's been stored. That's just drying off. Let's give it a quick walk around. I hit it with a towel. But as you can see, I need to do the wheels. As you can see, paintwork is looking marvellous. I'm really liking this colour a lot, but I'm probably a bit biased given my Empire is a very similar colour, shade of blue, Monte Carlo blue, but yeah, this is a slightly different colour on the X1, but nonetheless, I think it looks brilliant. Right, let's hit the wheels, let's get those clean, and then we can move on to drying it all and see where we're going.